jungle and that's why they come and go. I'm still local, the local goat on the low. They love you till they all love you, my nigga, that's how it goes. Yeah, you already know. It's a jungle and that's why they come and go. I'm still local, the local goat on the low. They love you till they all love you, my nigga, that's how it goes. I started rapping, they say I'm destined for greatness. They started pulling out favors because I ball with their favorites. I'm ahead of the latest, I got some stars in my playlist. My haters cannot stop my movement, I'm feeling jaded. I'm about to turn into something that no one likes. If no one likes me, I'm antisocial, so fuck the likes. These whack niggas getting deals, but they overpriced. And you could play games with your life, nigga, roll the dice. You rappers know that I'll die than to be second place. I'm from the ghetto, no tweeting, nigga, I'm in your face. Trigger fingers, yeah right, more like Twitter fingers. You niggas still talking shit, but never mind your business. Yeah, you already know. It's a jungle and that's why they come and go. I'm still local, the local goat on the low. They love you till they all love you, my nigga, that's how it goes. Yeah, you already know. It's a jungle and that's why they come and go. I'm still local, the local goat on the low. They love you till they all love you, my nigga, that's how it goes.
Police, but keep them hands up. Got your bitch on both knees, recorder on my camera. This right here, dope steez, it is a slammer. Yeah, I'm like the OG, yeah, I am the handler. My bitch, she try to control me like she Adam Sandler. So on my side in 4D, now I don't get pampered. I'm high, I drank some OB, then I threw a tantrum. She said that she ain't know me, and that I'm a handful. But you know I'ma blow 'em out. I blow trees, I spray bullets on my uncle, I'ma kill the one that took him. Homie, I'ma go about straight torture, straight bully, I ain't from the south. We grow trees, we sell cookies.
Yeah, you already know. It's a jungle and that's why they come and go. I'm still local, the local goat on the low. They love you till they all love you, my nigga, that's how it goes. Yeah, you already know. It's a jungle and that's why they come and go. I'm still local, the local goat on the low. They love you till they all love you, my nigga, that's how it goes. Yeah, you already know. Jungle and that's why they come and go. I'm still local, the local goat on the low. They love you till they all love you, my nigga, that's how it goes.
Hey baby, what's good? I see you in a good mood. I can tell by the way you flicking your hair, moving that body, and you being nice to me. I made you turn on. I should admit what we feeling is strong. So let me buy you a drink and it's chill. Or you preferring that body to body? I knew that you eyed me since I came along. Like
party on my mind, reminding me it's time to unwind. Everything gon' be just fine. Lay it all on the floor, drop down, we in some more. Don't care what people say, we're living for today. Cause I've been waiting in anticipation for this, you know. Walked out the door, left my words on the floor. Car parked outside, hop up in that ride. Surrounded by my people, sleepless so we drink it all. So fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Fill up my cup, bottomless drinks in the back of the bar. We pour it up, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Fill up my cup, bottomless drinks in the back of the bar. We pour it up. I get
it up, fill it up. Yeah, seems like I can't get enough. Man, is it love or is it just me and you? Cause what I'm feeling right now is really coming from above. Right now I'm stuck. It's just me, Hennessy, and you. And the thoughts of us not losing each other. Cause I really want us to last forever. Light as a feather, intoxicated with your love. To tell it the truth, I just can't get enough. Was it just destined to be? Cause the visions I see is you being with me like
fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Fill up my cup.